Hey friends, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com and I'm going to show you how I make my Cheesy Cabbage Creole. It's made in one pot and made in less than 30 minutes. We start off with some ground beef. You can use ground turkey, and we're going to brown the ground beef. Now I did drain most of the fat out of this pan. However, I left a little bit in so we can fry up the onions and peppers that we have in there now. And now we're going to start sprinkling in some Creole seasoning. Now, once you're done adding in the seasoning, FYI, I did add in some black pepper, but once you're done adding in those seasonings, add in some minced garlic, and then you're going to stir everything to make sure it's well combined. And now I'm going to start adding in my cabbage. Now, of course, all the cabbage can't fit in the pan right now, but I will just let it cook down and add more cabbage until everything is in there. Now I'm going to start adding in some diced tomatoes. If you choose, you can use like a can of Rotel or generic. And now we're just going to make sure everything is well combined. I'm now tossing in some velvety or generic. And the heat, by the way, is on medium throughout this recipe up until this point. We're now going to reduce the heat to low medium. Just mix everything and we're going to continue to stir until all the cheese is nicely melted just like so. And once it is, you are pretty much ready to serve. And I'm just going to add some parsley flakes on top, of course, or fresh parsley. Of course, this is completely optional. You don't have to add that. And now we are done. You have yourself some easy, cheesy cabbage creole. I hope you give this recipe a try. Head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com, to print out the measurements. And I will see you soon with a new recipe.